The Australian dollar AUD continues to extend its gains against the US dollar USD, marking its fourth consecutive session of strength. The Australian dollar to US dollar pair remains resilient amid improving risk appetite, bolstered by a fragile ceasefire between Israel and Iran, though US President Donald Trump's doubts about the necessity of a diplomatic solution regarding Iran's nuclear program continue to cloud the outlook. Meanwhile, data from the Australian Bureau of Statistics, ABS, reveals a 2.9% increase in job vacancies in May, reflecting a recovery in labor demand, particularly in the construction and professional sectors, despite a soft economy. However, softer inflation and weaker-than-expected GDP data reinforce expectations of a 25 basis point rate cut by the Reserve Bank of Australia, RBA, in July. On the U.S. side, the USD remains under pressure due to a cautious stance from Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, who warned against premature rate cuts, emphasizing the persistence of inflation from tariffs. Traders are awaiting the U.S. gross domestic product, GDP, annualized for Q1, and Powell's comments on potential rate cuts continue to weigh on the USD. Technically, the Australian dollar to US dollar pair remains bullish, holding above the 0.6500 support level and the 9-day exponential moving average EMA, with the next key resistance at 0.6552, the 7-month high recorded on June 16. A break below the 9-day EMA would put downward pressure on the pair, potentially testing lower levels near 0.6460.